Michael, the Mercedes guy here, and I occasionally do tips on things other than your Mercedes car. So, this is your regular gutter scoop. And if you're on a ladder, that's a certain amount of danger. I like to clean my gutters while I'm on the roof. And to not have to reach all the way to the gutter itself, I've got this little device. So you can be about a yard from the gutter on the roof to clean it. And this is just made up with a piece of rod that I've looped. I used a handle from a drill, and I welded this up. I also put a couple wires on, so it extends my arm. Now also, some gutters are thinner than others. So I split this, pulled it together, and used pop rivets with a washer on the other side in order to make this narrower. Now, whenever you're doing gutter cleaning and you're on the roof, you want a lanyard around your body, a nice big rope, and somebody on the other side of the ridge with that around their body to belay you so you don't fall off the roof. But this makes it so much easier because you aren't right up on the gutter. You're back a ways, cleaning it.